Hi and welcome back to Wrexham Volkswagen. My name is Shannon and today I will be giving you a tour around this fantastic Volkswagen approved used T-Roc R line. This compact model is a 2-litre diesel 150 PS automatic finished in an upgraded Indium Grey metallic paint. This car does come with a 2-year Volkswagen warranty as well as 2 years roadside assistance. So if you'd like to find out more information then please give us a call on 01978 340 600. So I'm going to give you a 360 degree walk around, then I'll jump inside and I'll go in further details on the interior features. So firstly, starting at the front, a great feature on this car is your rain sensors for added ease for the driver. The next, taking around, we have these stunning 19-inch Suzuka alloy wheels, really complementing the exterior finish. Next, moving up, we do have your electrically foldable, adjustable and heated door mirrors, providing additional safety for your vehicle. Then we do also have your rear tinted glass, which will protect your rear passengers from too much sun glare. Next, taking you inside the rear, we have this beautifully designed carbon flag cloth upholstery. This is an upgraded feature on this model. We have plenty of leg and head space available for your rear passengers travelling in the back. We do also have the centre seat acting as an armrest for additional comfort. Making my way to the back of the vehicle, you'll be happy to know that we do have your parking sensors both front and rear. This will help you with parking and manoeuvring in those tighter spaces. Then another added benefit is your electric operated tailgate. This is also an upgraded option, so we can do this via the key fob. So it's really handy if you're in a rush or with your hands full. As you can see, we have a really good boot space available, which is expected from a T-Roc. We do have the variable floors, so you can adjust the boot capacity. Got more than enough space for your weekly shopping trips. And then as you can see, we can adjust the height to make the floor level when the rear seats are folded down. And then to close the boot, we just simply press the button as demonstrated. And this car has covered 18,927 miles. We do have your remote keyless entry, which is also upgraded. So this is great when you arrive to the car with your hands full. Then opening up the driver's door, we have your R-line embossed as you step inside the vehicle with your front and rear mats. Then we have your multifunction steering wheel, followed by your R-line embossed front heated sports seats, which are part of the winter pack. This will keep you nice and cozy during the winter weather. And then as another optional upgrade, we do also have the benefit of a panoramic sunroof, which as you can see is the perfect addition for when the sun is shining. So that does conclude the first part of the video. So in the next part, I'll jump inside and I'll go in further details on the interior features and technologies. So jumping inside, we do have your multiple electric mirror and window controls positioned in the driver's door. Then we do also have your central locking as well as your automatic lights. So this is great for someone who forgets to turn them on. Then moving on to your R-line embossed multifunction steering wheel. So here we can access features without having to remove our hands. So this does include your adaptive cruise control. So this will make them long stretches on the motorway that bit more relaxing. You do have your volume adjustments on there as well. So using the controls on this side of the wheel, we can adjust the active information display screen. This is where you find all your important driver information. So using the controls, we can customize what you want to see without having to move your hands away from the wheel. So as you can see, we can change the view. You can enlarge the map. So you can have your satellite navigation displayed directly in front of you, as well as accessing any other important driver information. And then panning over, we have the infotainment system where we can access a wide range of features that are available on this T-Roc. So I'll just go through a couple of the options that are available. So a great benefit is your DAB, FM and AM radio with an endless of stations for your music and entertainment. You do have your Bluetooth so you can easily make and receive phone calls whilst on the go. Then we do have your satellite navigation, so we have a 3D map. So it's really clear and quick and responsive. So this will help you plan your route stress-free. Then you do also have the app connect, so you can pair your phone to the car to seamlessly display your music maps, contacts and messages for your entertainment. You do have your driving profile selections. We have your 4 preset options to choose your driving style. So this is designed to enhance your driving experience. Then as I did mention earlier, when popping the car into reverse, we do have the benefit of your front and rear parking sensors. So this will support you with parking and manoeuvring in tighter spaces. They will give off an audio warning to help protect your vehicle. And this car does feature your 2-zone climate control. So you can access this via the screen or the controls just below. So both yourself and your front passenger can be in control of your own temperature settings. So this will save any future arguments and keep you both comfortable. You have the fan speed in the centre. Then we have 3-point front heated seating. So this will ensure you're nice and cosy during the colder months of the year. Just below, you do have access to 2 USB charging points to charge your media devices on the go. With your keyless start, with your automatic gearbox, We have an electronic park brake with auto hold, a couple of handy cup holders and some additional storage space underneath your armrest. Got your R-line embossed seat. And then finally another quick highlight on your panoramic sunroof. So just using the controls, we can easily open and close the roof. It flows so much light and air in on those warmer journeys. And then we have your electric sunblind for when the sun glare gets that bit too much. So thank you for watching this video on this Volkswagen approved used T-Roc R-Line, which includes a 2-year warranty as well as 2 years roadside assistance, along with additional benefits and flexible finance packages available. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, please contact us now on 01978 340 600.